cute. Chloe.
What'd you do?
Too bad you just left the party.
Hey, what are you doing on the dishwasher? What?
Yeah, I'm a climber, Daddy.
What are you doing out there?
Do you think you're so big?
Oh, what? I see you.